Hi and welcome to Type with me. In this video we will see how we can use object REST properties within Typescript. So first of all we need to start with declaring an object within Visual Studio Code, right? So here I declare an object Joris with a full name, a LinkedIn and a Twitter handle. So now when I want to extract full name, LinkedIn and Twitter handle into another variable, we need to do the following thing. So I start with let. Then we have the following syntax. And I put here Joris. Alright. So now I need to put here console logs. So we will do a console log of full name, LinkedIn and Twitter handle. So let's build this. And now we can very easily execute this. So we have Joris Hermans, my LinkedIn URL and my Twitter handle, right? So imagine I'm only interested in my Twitter handle. So I can remove the rest. And I can put here, for example, comma .rest. So here I will have my Twitter handle in this variable, and in the rest I will have full name and LinkedIn. So I will print out rest. I will remove LinkedIn. So now I can build this. And then of course we can execute the code. So imagine I'm not happy with the name Twitter handle. Well, we can very easily change the Twitter handle into another variable name. We do that with the following syntax. So now he doesn't know the name Twitter handle, but he knows the name Twitter. So now I will build my code. So when we execute this, we get the same result, right? So in this video, we saw how we can use REST properties within Typescript. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something from it. Thank you very much for watching.